Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, November 1, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Morning, David. I'm fine, thanks. And you? This coffee smells good.
I am good. Yeah, I need it too. The sales calls yesterday were long. Did you sleep well?
Not bad. I stayed up reading news. There is so much going on in the world right now.
Tell me about it. I check the headlines every morning. It helps me think about business impacts.
Yes, as a project manager, I do the same. News affects our plans. What caught your eye this week?
Well, let us start with that U.S.-China trade deal. It is all over the news. President Trump and President Xi talked, and they reached a framework. But China got a good deal, I think?
I saw that. From the New York Times, right? It says China withheld soybean buys and rare earth exports. They got relief from U.S. tariffs and delayed some controls, without giving much back.
Exactly. Published on October 30, 2025. It is controversial because some say the U.S. lost ground. Shell looks stronger now.
True. For our company, it means prices for parts might stay high. We import from Asia sometimes.
Right. As sales rep, I worry clients will complain about costs. Tariffs are off for now, but what if they come back?
Good question. In projects, we budget for that? It could delay timelines if supply chains change.
Yeah, and the deal includes more soybean purchases from the U.S. Farmers are happy, but is it fair?
Maybe not fully. China controls rare earths, key for tech. They can tighten exports anytime.
Smart move by them. Makes me think our sales pitches need to highlight local suppliers.
Yes, adapt or lose. Anyway, this coffee is strong. Helps wake up.
It does? Pass me a cup? Okay, another big one is the government actions against media. They are defunding public broadcasters and filing lawsuits against news outlets.
Oh, that story. It is in the Washington Post and CNN. About restrictions and investigations on media freedom.
Yeah. Around October 25 to 30, 2025. Controversial because it limits press access. Like Pentagon credentials protest.
But we exclude that exact one. Wait, no, it is similar. Government wants to cut funds for overseas news services too.
Right. As sales media is key for ads. If outlets close or get sued, our campaigns suffer.
I see. In project management, we rely on news for market research. Less info means bad decisions.
Totally. Imagine lawsuits slow down reporting. Our competitors might hide bad news easier.
Scary. It affects society trust. People need free press to know truth.
Yes, and tech side, they target online platforms. Our office emails and shares could face rules.
We use digital tools daily. Privacy might tighten. I will check our policies.
Good idea. This news makes work feel tense, but we keep going.
We do. One more sip. Now that Prince Andrew story, it is wild. They stripped his title over the Epstein scandal.
Yes. From the Hill and App News, recent days around October 28 to 30, 2025. He hosted Epstein and Maxwell at his place in 2006.
Buckingham Palace confirmed? He loses the prince title and has to leave the mansion.
Controversial in society? Epstein case is old, but emails show Andrew stayed in touch longer.
Right, shows how scandals hit high places. Royals must follow rules too.
As sales guy, reputation is everything. One link to bad people and trust gone?
Exactly. In projects we vet partners, this is a reminder.
Yeah. Entertainment value too, like a soap opera, but real pain for him.
Society watches closely, affects public view of leaders.
True. Makes me glad our office is drama-free mostly.
Mostly. We have our small issues.
Like the coffee machine breaking last month. Okay, back to trade. Do you think the deal helps U.S. economy?
Short term, yes. Tariffs down means cheaper goods. But long term, China gains leverage.
I agree. Our sales might pick up if exports flow better.
For projects, stable trade is key. No surprises in costs.
Right. And media thing, do you follow any outlets closely?
CNN and NYT, they cover business well. But if defunded, options less.
Same, WSJ for sales tips. Lawsuits could silence good stories.
Yes, impacts culture too, less debate on issues.
Now, Epstein, Andrew's fall is big. What next for him?
Probably quiet life, scandal sticks.
Lesson for all. Keep clean records.
Definitely, well, this chat is fun. News makes morning better.
It does, beats boring silence.
True, I learned from you.
And I from you. Your project view is smart.
Thanks. Okay, my meeting soon.
Mine too, sales call at 9.
Good luck, sell big.
You two manage well.
See you later. Have a good day.
You too, bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.